This is my person, and I can achieve anything with this person in my life. Hello, Leos. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for December. We will be looking into love and whatever else that the spirit has for us. All right, thank you so much. We have You Deserve Love coming through. This came in for Sagittarians as well. Pretty interesting. You are lovable. Self love, self empowerment, enjoying discovering yourself, putting work in your skills, gifts, and talents, discovering that you have more to offer to this world, enjoying what you're doing, that kind of a thing also comes in. But the pull which is required, a little bit of retreating which is required in order to recuperate, rest, and rejuvenate, and then pushing forward with a clearer vision. That is the energy which is coming in with the archer over here. She is becoming very clear, and the way the angels are with her and the way she's getting illuminated, whatever she's wearing, intended to wear with the lighting and everything, I feel like, she's in a gold attire. That kind of energy is coming in, rawness which is coming through, so that's very Leo energy which is coming in. You are looking like a star, that is what is coming in, but first you have to start looking within and truly understand who you really are. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring, coming in for both. But yes, something very beautiful, positive, which is getting developed, and the cards are like very much flipping out. Do check your sun. If this is not this is your sun, then moon, ascending, rising, or Venus, Mars also placements. If you want, take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't. We have two of wands coming in, and in some previous reading there was two of wands which used to come but in reverse. So when it comes in together, I feel like two of you, although very different, this is more fiery, this is more clear, so more calmer. Two caskets, two hearts being opened up because it is linked with by the same key, opened by the same key of love. That is coming in, making things, growing things together. That is what is coming through. Two people on board. And career wise, also, this talks about more people coming in supporting you. But in terms of love, what I see is that there's like two minds coming on the same page, wanting to work together. So, this is a very nice card coming in. Inspired to make things work is the energy which is coming through over here. Next, we have Six of Wands coming in reverse. Not really sure how to go about things. Kind of like there's this someone, mostly Leo energy, which is coming, which is over here. But this is talking about there's a lot of feelings, inspiration, motivation to do something, but kind of fearing rejection or not being able to succeed is what is coming through right now. So a little bit of anxiety in terms of confessing someone's feelings, or the next step, the grander step of confessing your love. After that, like building things together, the next step in a relationship, that is something which is making someone a little anxious, but it's fine, it happens. We have Three of Wands coming in. Wow, all fired up. Three of Wands coming through does talk about prosperity which will be coming in, but a very strong need of stepping away from toxic environments, staying away from gossip. And apart from that, this is a very creative time. So, yes, whatever you are building upon will get more momentum coming through. We have the Devil card also coming in. Interesting, we had the gossip energy that I was just talking about. Okay, the way I just did that, it felt like someone is preparing to break the shackles, break away from the hostilities in their minds, and wanting to come forward, breaking something, a chain of cycles, of patterns, of karmic situations, relationships, karmic loops that need to come to an end before this can go forward. That is also coming in. And over here, I feel like someone who is holding on to their horses. So someone has made their intentions very clear, and then now is waiting for this person to take action to step it up. And we have Two of Cups also coming in. Wow, someone is going to propose, or propose this cup, celebration of two people coming in together. So um this offer of love which is coming in, it also almost seems like a reciprocation which is going to come from this side, from the other person. Capricorn major arcana, apart from that, there's a lot of fire energy which is coming in. So fire signs are Sagittarius, Aries, and Leos. And then over here in there's a reflection of the lovers, Gemini major arcana, which is over here. So I feel what started could have been even like in the past also. You guys have navigated through a lot of turmoil, not really turmoil, but many obstacles, and you have journeyed to this point wherein you will be going forward in this relationship, is what's coming through. If you are single, then understand that the previous relationship you had to step out of it because it was very karmic for you. It was something that you would learn from in order for a pure relationship, a lifetime partnership to enter your life. And right now that your vision is clear, it is asking you to indulge in some self love, self confidence, inner child healing if that is required. Do the releasing, let go of any kind of hurt that was there, release yourself from that, and make space for more loving energy, miracles, abundance to enter your life. And with that, I feel like the moment you start developing, enhancing, empowering yourself, letting your authentic self step out. I don't know what's wrong with my English today. Authentic self to come out. You're speaking more gracefully, you're expressing, you're not holding back because you are eliminating fear. That is what is coming in. And you are ready to embrace any kind of challenge because you no longer see it as a challenge but an experience gained. That is what is coming in. There could be certain kind of addictions that we need to let go of, free ourselves from, is also coming in. This is more internal, this is more of like work that I'm doing. I am already building myself up. I have traveled over here. I would like this person also to be here on the same level. Let's keep inspiring each other, let's grow together. That is also coming through. But yeah, I do feel this person or whoever is coming into your life is a romantic relationship, and they really genuinely have pure feelings for you, romantic feelings for you, and they want to explore. Could be for some people that they have been in the singlehood for a very long time and they're used to a certain kind of habit. They do now realize that it is quite toxic or limiting their scope, and they want to experience this, they want to explore their feelings with you. And in this period, for some people, it's just a channel thing. If they are taking the time, if they are being hot and cold, don't doubt yourself in that period. That is also coming in. That's a journey that they have to do. They are inspired by you, which is why they are going on this journey of freeing themselves, taking back control of their life, opening to love, ready to step in. For some people who they haven't even stepped into their emotional world for a very long time and they are wanting to go there. They are realizing there are certain kind of addictions which were taken up because there was certain kind of pain that they were running away from, and to travel back to that is also takes time before the healing happens. So all in all, it's a very good awakening period which is happening, inspired by you, or also inspired the feelings they have for you. They want to better themselves to be a better provider. That kind of energy is coming in. We have give your relationship a chance, and we have calling in your soulmate as well. Wow, this is really, 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 really nice. If there was any kind of separation, the separation is now coming to a point wherein they want to have a reconciliation. They can see that all that they have undergone as well was somewhere down the line synchronized to meet you. That kind of a very lovey-dovey energy is coming in. But apart from that, for singletons, what I see is that give the relationship that you have with yourself can be deepened more by also connecting with your higher self, listening to your intuition. That kind of a thing is coming in. Work with your higher self, energy is coming in, and you are calling in love with self love, because love starts from within. And when we are filled with it, when we are compassionate, supportive, respectful to ourselves, only then can we offer the same to others. Because we don't come from a place of lack, but a place of abundance, and it just keeps on flowing. So that overflow of the good vibration of self confidence, not cockiness or not ego, but coming from a very humble place where it just keeps on growing and growing and growing, that feeling. And with that abundant feeling, being grateful for what all you have in your life, this, you are paving way for your soulmate to enter, one of your soulmates to enter. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualization help you bring together. For singletons, it is like you are attracting a soulmate. Don't worry if you have been in recent times thinking about, I am doing all of this for what? This could be an answer coming in for you. But apart from that, I see them seeing you as a soulmate. That is what is coming through, and the light is flickering. Very nice. Very, very nice. Support yourself is coming in. Support your dreams coming through. Just affirm, I love, I am loved, I am love. That's all. And if you want to add on a little more, then see the completed world coming in, victory which is coming through. Nice. We have four of pentacles and Knight of Wands coming in, hot and cold energy which is coming through. Wanting to offer, not understanding how to do it, feeling a little lonely without you, Gemini energy coming through. Yes, we'll start shuffling. You may like to add, just a second, this is just, yeah, right, ready to start anew, but feeling a little lack, unsure of the new beginnings, but wanting to jump in love or take the leap of faith with you. That is also coming in. All right, going back to the affirmation that I was saying, you may like to add, I am inviting gentle waves of abundance and intimacy to enter my life. Also, if you want. But affirmations will be very, very nice. Clear affirmations, and not wishing for something to happen in the future tense, but affirming as if you already have it. And to be very honest, like the affirmations that I've said, also, you are loved by your friends, by your family, by your soul family, by the spirit as well. And you are a beautiful embodiment of love. Believe that. All right. Reconciliation is coming in, especially if you have been thinking about it also. They are very clearly thinking about it. New offers of love coming through. They may be taking time to explore their feelings, and they will be realizing also that there's a very strong soul to soul connection with you. Even if with the ups and downs, they will have you. They see the perfection in your imperfections as well. Oh, running with words. But clear communication is required with the way I'm talking. We have Master, King of Cups coming in. So genuine feelings which are coming in, but someone who has this tendency of feeling unappreciated, left out in the cold, a little bit of depression also which is there, past traumas which need to be healed, which are lingering around, and sometimes they get triggered and they go back because there's something of the past which is deeply rooted, and that trauma comes forward. Also, sometimes this person feels unloved, is also kind of coming in. But overall, if you see a King of Cups, that is a very hearty person, very loving, very sure, and a very beautiful partner also. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio energy. Who is ready to listen, who is not shy of expressing their love. If this is a person who has been most of the things that we have spoken of till now, give them the time to explore, because it may be for some people out there, for this person over here, love in a way, or unconditional love, is an uncharted land, and they are quite mesmerized At the same time intimidated by it also, so that is also coming in. All right, is there anything else that we need to know? We have six of cups coming in, letting go of the past. Scorpio energy which is coming in, you are ready to move forward, that is what is coming in. Soul connection which is coming through, but certain kind of work which we need to do, you and them, or you or them both, but it's coming in for both, quite see, honestly speaking. We have the Queen of Swords coming in, clear communication which is coming through. They see you, they kind of get intimidated in terms of everything is there, the feeling is there, all of that is there, but they kind of feel that you are unapproachable. For some people, it's coming in a little, or that you too need to do certain kind of healing before they can start this new relationship, romantic partnership with you. We have the Eight of Wands coming in, kind of doubting. It's almost like they made a wish, they called upon their soulmate, and now that it is coming through, the kind of not realizing that it is manifesting into a waking reality. They have a lot of hopes and dreams attached to you is also coming through, and their negative thinking, if they have a tendency of doing so, is getting the best out of them is also coming in. We have come to the edge coming in, and we have blessed also coming in. Blessed came in for Virgo as well, and it's really interesting. We had the Fool card which came in with the zero and the small tower with the man over here, or boy. It's the same energy which is getting represented over here as well. Wanting to take the leap of faith, feeling blessed. They feel very happy being with you. I can see that two over here. They see you as their counterpart or the next person who comes in. You are at a point wherein new life experiences will be unraveling for you. Believe in your dreams, they will be manifesting. All your hard work that you've put in this relationship, in career as well, all of it will be bearing fruits. That's coming in. A new chapter for some which is coming through. If you have been in separation, I feel like there's a chance of reconciliation which is coming through, a genuine reconciliation which is coming in. I'm feeling very relaxed right now. There's this very strong energy of let yourself be seen truly coming in. And for those who have had that offer coming in and are feeling nervous, it's like what I'm because take the leap of faith is coming through. Now is the time to take a risk is coming in also. I feel like, or take the leap of faith. I feel like someone who may be wanting to make tick all the boxes, and they've had this ideology that I will be 100% sure when I find my life partner, the one I want to marry, I'll also. And right now, they are getting a little. This person over here is getting a little dicey because there are a few factors which don't really pan out so well right now, in terms of certain kind of conflicts, certain kind of difference in ideologies as well. But it's like there's so much hitch which is coming through this reading. There always remains a little bit of uncertainty. You won't be always 100% sure, I feel. But do you love that other person so much that you are willing to take the risk? With, like, the risk is that certain percentage which you are unsure of, or the boxes which weren't ticked. What is more important? Think about that. You too think about that. But overall, there's nothing to worry about. Whether you are single, whether you are in a relationship, If this is a toxic one relationship, then we can try to work things out, try to articulate things. You don't have to keep on taking it in and suddenly lashing out. But yeah, if you find yourself in a unhealthy relationship, step out of it so that something more meaningful can enter your life. But if you are in a genuine, satisfactory, healthy, inspiring, positively progressing relationship, then don't worry. They have genuine feelings for you, even if they can't really show it all the time. But I'm sure even when their words are lacking, their actions would be speaking louder. So listen to those as well. Feeling very nice and serene. So we have rebirth coming in. Reinvent yourself. Give life to your dreams. Create a new reality. Very nice energy coming in for December for you people out there. Metamorphosis which was required, sudden shock events which were required for that survival instinct to come in, and your fire is now getting reignited. The spirit of courage is coming in, burning away all the fears. And this is also like, if you have a dream, it won't get manifested until you start taking steps towards it. Do something extraordinary, or whatever it is that you want to invent or manifest in your life. Start doing research about it, is also coming in. Take some action which is coming through. Your thoughts can create a newer reality. So fear, letting go of fear, which is why we have love also coming in for both people over here. Possibility coming through. Raise your standards, elevate your expectations. You have unlimited potential. Wow. I was talking about, I am here, let them come here. Raising your standards. It's almost also like, think more positively coming in for this person, especially if they feel deprived at times. The rebirth, this is like a nine energy which is coming in, ending a cycle, a journey of discovering your true self, and a new opportunity which is coming in. Self empowerment. It's like with your ascension, your love life ascends, which is coming in very strongly over here. They also see anything is possible with you. That kind of a thing is coming in. Like with you, they feel very confident. Like there is someone who is supporting me. I am supporting them. Like this this person over here thinks like this. He or she is with me. This is my person, and I can achieve anything with this person in my life. That is what is coming in, or will be coming through in the near future. So open your doors, because with this rebirth which is happening, becoming clearer, healing yourself, indulging in self happiness, self love, supporting yourself, your dreams, having passion, moving into compassion, and spreading it across as well, pursuing your dreams, adding life to your dreams. And with that, you are opening up a doorway to romance. And anything is possible. When you change the way you love yourself, you change who you attract in your life. And this is exactly that you're doing. You're about to have a wonderful time. You already are. You are so blessed. Your heart is so pure. Let it not be shackled, limited, tied up by fear. Your positive mindset affects them in profound ways. This is such a strong connection which is coming in. You have nothing to worry about. Yes, divine timing may be at play. Maybe you haven't met that kind of a person in your life. Maybe you have. But at the end of it, we need to keep on developing, elevating ourselves. Our soul's journey continues with or without someone. And eventually, your soul family your soul tribe is nearing you or is already with you. There are many ways of enhancing love in one's life. Love is the highest frequency of all, and the purest form is unconditional in every kind of love that there exists. Wow. English is like just going away, smashing it out of my system today. All right. So, all the very best. Do let me know if this resonated. Kudos to the work that you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. This is like a fresh breath which is coming through. More power to you. So, do let me know if this resonated or not. Comment below, share it with the loved ones, and please do hit the like. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. If you aren't already, then please do subscribe. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, romance, abundant opportunities, and beautiful blessings to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Monians. And of course, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.